When you turn on the news and see politicians raving about vaccinations, there's a reason for that. There's a reason why every commercial break has an ad for 5G. It's because this is really just a clever way for governments and corporations to send you an offer that you accept unknowingly. This happens through a concept called tacit agreement, which is when you agree to something without even saying anything. You see, in law, silence is acquiescence. So when you stay silent, you're actually saying yes. You're saying yes to that tower down the street, that meter on the side of your house, those streaks you see up in the sky, and the very possibility that a vaccine could ever be mandatory. The good news is, now that you're aware of this offer to contract, all you have to do is respond. And this is done through conditional acceptance. With a series of lawful notices, you can send a counteroffer to corporate executives and government officials, stating that you will accept their offer on the condition they can prove that it's safe, something we know they cannot and will not do. And when these individuals fail to provide proof, you're able to hold them personally liable and charge them a fee for every day they continue to act. InPower has already seen success in several countries where officials have stepped down after receiving these documents. This means that if we get together en masse and send thousands of documents at the same time, we can make real change in the world. And we won't need weapons, elections, or protests to do it. All we need are pieces of paper that can be printed from home and sent in the mail. It turns out, changing the world is easy when you're in power.